morning all of you. Last chapter of stats, chapter 13, index number. So index number, an index number is a statistical measure designed to show changes in a variable or group of related variables with respect to time, location or other characteristics. So an index number is a statistical measure designed to show changes. It is designed to show changes in variables. So it is designed to show changes in a variable or group of related variables with respect to time, location and other characteristics. With respect to time, location and other characteristics. So, index number is a statistical measure designed to show changes in a variable or group of related variables with respect to time, geographical location or other characteristics. Now there are some methods to calculate index number. So methods of constructing index number. So there are two methods of constructing index number. Number first, simple index number, and number second, weighted index number. So there are two methods, simple index number, number second, weighted index number. So there are two methods of constructing index number. Number first, simple index number, number second, weighted index number. Simple index number, there are two methods. Number first, simple aggregative method, and number second, price relative method. So in simple index number there are two methods, simple aggregative method and number second, price relative method. So there are two methods in simple index number. Number first, simple aggregative method, and number second, price relative method. We will discuss one by one. Simple aggregative method. So number first, simple aggregative method. Formula for simple aggregative method means P01, price index number, summation of P1 upon P0 into 100. So formula for simple aggregative method, P01 equals to summation of P1. P1 means new price, P0 means old price or base year price into 100. So P01 means price index, P1 means current year price, P0 means base year price into 100. So formula, price index equals to current year price upon base year price into 100. Current year means P1, base year means P0 into 100. Let's do the sum. Commodity ABCD. Commodity ABCD E and price 2004 price and 2014 price. So 2004 price means base year और old price. So ये हो जाएगा आपका P0 और ये आपका हो जाएगा P1. न्यू प्राइस हो गया, अगर 2004 और 5 होता है तो 5 न्यू प्राइस हो जाती है, 4 ओल्ड प्राइस हो जाती है. So price of 2004 is known as P0 or indicated by P0 or base year price, and 2014 is current year price. 50, 40, 10, 5, 2. 50, 40, 10, 5 and 2. And to the price of 2014, 80, 60, 20, 10, 6. 80, 60, 20, 10, 6. Now formula P1 upon P0 into 100. P1 means summation of P1 and P0 means summation of P0. 50, 90, 90, 100, 107. Now 80, 140, 160, 176. P1 upon P0 means 176 upon 107 into 100. Or we can say 17600 upon 107. 176 into 100, 17600 upon 107 equal to 164.69. Clear? So total of P0 is 107 and total of P1 is 176. Now put the formula summation P1 upon summation P0 into 100 is 176 upon 107 into 100. 176 into 100, 17600 upon 107, that is 164.69. Clear? Now number second, price relative method. And formula for price relative method, same price index equals to summation P1 upon summation P0 into 100 upon and means total of serial numbers. P1 upon P0 into 100 price relatives, and means number of goods or serial number. P1 current year price and P0 base year price. Commodity, then P0 and P1. P0, P1, or we can say base year price and current year price. So commodity, wheat, ghee, milk, rice and sugar. P0 means base year price 100 per quintal, 100 per quintal wheat. Now ghee 8 per kg, milk 2 rupees 2 per liter, ये base year price है. Then rice 200 per quintal, एक क्विंटल राइस कितने का 200 per quintal, and sugar 1 per kg. Now current year price, wheat 200 per quintal, ghee 40 per kg, milk 16 per liter, rupees 16 per liter, rice 800 per quintal, and sugar rupees 6 per kg. Now firstly we calculate summation P1 upon P0 into 100. So P1 upon P0 into 100. P1 200 अपॉन P0 100, एक एक का निकालेंगे इंटू 100. तो आपका क्या आ जाएगा, ये प्राइस रिलेटिव जिसे R से भी इंडिकेट करते हैं, आपका आ जाएगा 200. देन 40 अपॉन 8 इंटू 100, ये आ गया आपका 500. 16 अपॉन 2 इंटू 100, 200 को 250 या 100, तो 16 इंटू 50 दैट इज 800. Now 800 upon 200 into 100, 400, and 6 upon 1 into 100, that is 600. So total of P1 upon P0 into 100, that is 2500. So summation P1 upon P0 into 100, ये पूरा का पूरा लिख देंगे 2500. P01 आपका and means total items कितने 5, तो आपका इंडेक्स कितना आ गया 500. क्लियर? P0 and P1 are given. Now P1 upon P0 into 100 separate निकालेंगे. 200 upon 100 into 100, that is 200. Then 40 upon 8 into 100, that is 500. 16 upon 2 into 100, 800. 800 upon 200 into 100, 400. And 6 upon 1 into 100, 600. Total of P1 upon P0 into 100 is 2500. Put the formula summation P1 upon P0 into 100. 2500 upon 5 and means serial number या total number of commodities, wheat, ghee, milk, rice, sugar, 5 commodities. So 2500 upon 5, that is 500. Clear? Homework, commodity ABCDE, 2004 price 15, 33, 38, 25, 50. Price of 2014 30, 35, 57, 35 and 63. Calculate price index by simple aggregative method and price relative method. Thank you.